In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps over here. Now choose Cloned Apps, and to clone any of the available ones, tap on the chosen one and hit Create. Then go back and wait for it to be cloned. You can also tap on this plus next to an app you wanna clone and wait as well. Either way, once you finish, go back to check if your apps were successfully cloned. To delete any of those clones, you can always go back to the same section in Settings and either click on your app to hit Delete, then confirm your choice in the pop-up, or use this pin next to it right away and confirm your choice as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!